Thank you, Claire, for this collaboration. Linked above is the playlist. Unseen, unheard, but always near, still loved, still missed, and very dear. Those we love don't go away. They walk beside us every day. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. To all those who hold a special place in the hearts, and that's our mothers who have passed away. This Mother's Day is a tender reminder of the love and memories that continue to endure. They may no longer be with us in body, but their spirit remains ever present, guiding us through life's journey. May these profound sentiments serve as a symbol of the enduring bond between a mother and her child, a bond that transcends time and space. Next month will be 50 years that my mom has passed. In the wake of loss, emotions can be overwhelming and the ache of absence can be profound. Yet amidst the sorrow, there always exists a space where memories bloom and love transcends, even beyond the bounds of mortality. Let's find solace together and let's share some stories in the comments below about our moms. Intermittently, you'll see so many pictures of me and my mom. In loving memory of all the mothers who continue to inspire us this Mother's Day and always. And you will see at the very end that I'm going to be doing something very special with those raised letters. But right now I'm going to be putting on some stuck-up piggies, and that's going to be a backdrop of my resin pieces. I will be mixing my resin. I have some heating up on the side because it's still a little chilly in sunny California, believe it or not. So I'm going to be using this little piggy, stuck-up piggy rather, in Egotistical. And excuse my nails, but I tried something yesterday with black and I cannot get it off. I have scrubbed and used alcohol and everything else, and so far it's still on my nails. But let me get down here without further ado. So what you're witnessing here is my first attempt at covering up the letters. And I tried with the micro brush. Then I did pull in another brush that I had, and I pulled an old brush that I got for free, and that was the worst thing I did. Do not use a cheap brush when you're brushing on, because all of the bristles came out and it made a big mess, and I had to get tape to get the bristles out. What a disaster. Okay, so I mixed up some of my Tea Expert in crystal clear, and I stirred that for about 3 to 4 minutes, and that certainly is crystal clear. I did warm it a little bit because, like I said, sunny California is a little cold. I thought I would put in my first layer, because I am going to do this in 2 layers, because I think I want a black background on this. I think, but we'll see. I'm going to half fill this. With this. And if I have any left over, I most certainly will pour some into something small. And I did have this out. And I'll be darned, this is the one that I think we do it this way. My mom's middle name was Rose, so I decided to put some crushed up roses in there. I have some rose buds, and I'm gonna put some roses. These are rose buds, and I'm gonna put some roses in this, and I'm gonna squish them up a little bit. I'm just gonna put in the, yeah, I like how that looks in the resin. Can mix that around a little bit. Probably should have put it in, mixed it into the resin, but I didn't. All right, that's okay. Put a few up here. Push that around a little bit. Okay, so this is 2 hours on the heating mat, and this will leave on a little longer, but I want to do my second layer on this, my black layer. I think it's good to go on that right now. So I'm going to mix up some of my Let's Resin black resin. Okay, I have in here my 2 parts of my black epoxy resin from Let's Resin, and I'm going to mix this up. Okay, so here is my black resin, which is absolutely yummy. Look at that. I love it. And let's get it onto here. And this we're gonna leave some. This is gonna continue to cure a little more. But let's get it Let's get it onto here. A little at a time. This looks like it's just under the edge, which is exactly where we want it to be. I'm gonna get out my heat gun over here. Big shout out for those who gave me super thanks. I am so grateful. Okay. So, this is definitely done. This is really almost 4 hours. And I'm going to unmold this. And that is so pretty. And this was just with my leftover resin. I'm going to put that on the side. And that's so pretty. And that was made with the crushed up roses. How clear. I do want to say, look how clear that that resin is. But that's really pretty. Okay, now shut it off. And maybe I shouldn't shut it off yet. You know what? I just left the fingerprints on here. I just left fingerprints, so I am not going to touch these. I'm going to leave these for overnight. Special thanks to our members, the Traveling Tramps, Lena Park Art, and Art by Sparkle. I waited for the next morning, and let us see how this cured up. I'm not going to show you forget. Let's see, let's do this. Oh, that was that little mistake. It's in there yesterday. Okay. So excited to see. Okay, so you're thinking, we can't see those letters, but look at this one. Yeah, this looks a little antique-y because the way it, not all over the place. But now watch. We are not done yet, baby. A bit of my, hope there's something in here. Let's see, of my gold. I don't even know if there's anything in here. Let's see, haven't used this in quite a while. Let's try it on this one first. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. All right. Okay, now watch. Watch.
Take me out to California. Take me out to California. I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern skies. And all the while I was trying to pretend the promised land was there beyond the great divide. But I'll be coming home soon. Yeah, I'll be coming home soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home. California, California, here I come. I've seen it all upon the silver screen, the happy faces and a sign upon a hill. The wine is flowing and the fields forever green, and all your hopes and dreams will always be fulfilled. So I'll be coming real soon. Yeah, I'll be coming real soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home. California, California, here I come.
We've come to the end of our journey today. I hope you liked what you saw here, and if it resonated with you, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. I would appreciate it. If you hit that bell, you will be notified when I do another video.
Take me out.
Now I have a little something special for you. One moment. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Christy. Happy birthday to you. So if you're still here after that singing, this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Till next time, please see everyone else in this collaboration.